Hi B. Ted, remember me? Thank you very much for helping us raise funds for Uplift, and we look forward to seeing you back here at the museum.
Thanks, Goose, for helping us raise the funds for Project Uplift. Here's to looking forward to seeing you next year at Aquino.
Okay. Thank you, Old Man the Wise, for helping raise funds for Project Uplift.
Hello everyone, it's Cranky Monkey from inside the 38T. Hetzer to all you other tankers. Just a thank you to Tactical Illusion for helping us raise funds for Project Uplift. Look forward to seeing you and everyone else here at Aquino.
Thank you, Kinetic, for raising funds for Project Uplift.
Thank you, Damien's Gaming, for helping us raise funds for Project Uplift.
Hey there, PYROPATZY here from the Ontario Regiment Museum. Just want to thank 13th Disciple for helping us raise funds for Project Uplift.
I'd like to thank Dead Meat for being our first Patreon subscriber. And I'd like to thank him a little more for helping support us to raise funds for Project Uplift.
Thank you to CM 1994 for your help raising funds with Project Uplift, and hope to see you at the museum soon.
Hello, it's Sam from inside the wireless truck at the Ontario Regiment Museum. Thank you very much, Ominous Vixen, for helping us raise funds in support of Project Uplift.
Hey Sophie, it's Ashley inside the M60. Thanks so much for helping us raise funds for Project Uplift.
Hey Tragic, thanks for helping out with Project Uplift.
Well, hey there. This is a shout out to Commander AF. First off, I'd like to say the head gash has healed, so we're doing fine there. And thank you for all that support for Project Uplift and all the work you've done for our veterans. We really appreciate it.
Everyone, Mitch McFarlane here, the Project Uplift team lead. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank all of you who took your time and to donate to Project Uplift during our streaming event. And especially I want to take the time to thank BTED72 and Talk to Me Goose for taking the initiative and creating the streaming for Project Uplift. I also want to thank the creative content, the other creative content streamers and the moderators for their time as well, and also for their hard work and dedication. You guys did a fantastic job. You killed it. You nailed it. We raised over $15,000 US towards the project. And that money, I'll let you all know, is going to go to the great cause of taking this project up off the ground and putting it in motion. The first prototype will be paid for with the money raised so far from all of you. So it's going to go to a great cause. Stay tuned and watch for further updates on our museum's Facebook page and other social media platforms and at ontarmuseum.ca for more Project Uplift updates.
On behalf of the members of the museum, thanks!